today's video, I will be talking about the digital financial platform Acorns and its awesome features. Fun, unrelated fact, acorns produce oak trees, not acorn trees. This day and age, we must be savvy and diligent with how we save and invest our money. This definitely is not the best time to keep money in a low interest bearing savings account with very little return. The way the banking industry is going right now, it is not a bad idea to diversify how and where one invests and puts money. So if you want to take advantage of another way of growing your money on a consistent basis without having to do a lot of legwork, stick around and let's talk. So Acorns states that they were built to give everyone the tools of wealth building. Their mission is to look after the financial best interests of the up and coming, beginning with the empowering, proud step of micro-investing. Acorns was founded in 2012 in Irvine, California. The current CEO and chairman is Noah Kerner. Some of the company's investors include Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Kevin Durant, and Ashton Kutcher. Whether you are a beginning investor, self-employed, or work part-time, Acorns can be beneficial for you. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor and I am not giving you financial advice. I am simply a gal who loves to share information about wealth building and financial resources. So, how can you get started? First, you must be at least 18 years of age and reside in the United States. Next, you select your Acorns subscription and begin investing. There are subscription-based digital financial service company, which allows you to choose a subscription plan for as low as $3 a month. Each tier includes various components to choose from. You simply choose which plan you feel is best for you. Now do your own due diligence and explore their website. You're able to set how much you want to invest on a weekly or monthly basis through their expert-built, diversified, smart portfolio. And then you set recurring investments starting at $5 a day, week, or month. Now, I really like how Acorns words their goals as this: save and advance in the background of life. Acorns states that they will allow you to put investing on autopilot. Sign up takes just a couple of minutes and you can set up your account in as little as 5 minutes. After you set up your account, you'll complete a brief questionnaire to determine your level of risk and investment goals based on your age, amount that you want to save on a regular basis, how long you want to be investing, and when you need the money. Based on all of your information that you put in, they'll create a plan that they call a smart diversified portfolio. So you can set up automated investments starting with spare change. So through their roundup program and with the money that they round up to the nearest dollar, it is put into a reinvestment account on your behalf. And once that account reaches $5, they'll reinvest that money based on your personal plan. Definitely, to me, it sounds like no heavy lifting. So now let's talk about what will you be investing in. Acorns puts it this way. Acorns' expert-built portfolios contain exchange-traded funds, or ETF. They're like a basket of different investments, including stocks and or bonds, and they come with benefits like diversification, lower costs, and potential tax efficiency. So Acorns' website will list the major ETFs that may be included in your portfolio, and it also has the prospectuses, or that's simply the details of whatever the ETFs are that you can review. So based on a few questions that you answer, you'll create your investment strategy or plan for you based on your risk that you are willing to do, the time, and the amount. They also have their Acorns checking account. Here's what they offer. They have no hidden fees. Acorns checking is included in all of their subscriptions. They feature a host of products and tools. They also offer what they call real-time roundups. where you can choose to save or invest with the roundup amount. Also, while I am personally not a fan of this, and Lynn Richardson, I love her, she states that many of us live as it is from paycheck to Monday. And I'm saying 2 days earlier could potentially be paycheck to Saturday. But Acorns will allow you to get paid up to 2 days earlier with direct deposit and be able to invest your money faster. It's very important to know that Acorns is not a bank. Acorns Visa debit cards and banking services are issued by Lincoln Savings Bank or NBKC Bank, and they are members of the FDIC. So here are my takeaways about Acorns. First, they do the legwork for you, especially when you want to invest, but may not be consistent, savvy, or you're just too busy. Second, they compile a portfolio for you on your behalf that's effective based on your level of risk. Third, they offer the flexibility and how you invest with the ability to increase or decrease your investing amounts at any time. Last, it's very user-friendly and automated. So if you like what you've heard and you're ready to open up an account with Acorns, check out my referral link below to begin to set up your account. Full disclosure, I will receive some form of incentive by referring you via my link. So before I go, in my opinion, any form of investing will add up and will be putting you in a better position, especially when it comes to investing. This way, I feel it allows you to set it and forget it, kind of like the old commercial. So in the comments below, do me a favor, tell me if you will give Acorns a try or if you are already set up with an Acorns account. That's it for today. Again, my name is Lisa Wigfall. I love sharing information with you that will be helpful, beneficial, and applicable in your daily living. So definitely take a moment, like this video, share this video with someone who can also benefit. And also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Take a moment and subscribe to my channel so that way you can be up to date with any new shows. Hit that notification button as well to know when the next show is coming out. And if you're returning, welcome back. That's it for today. Until next time, as always, as best as you can, remember to live, love, laugh, and smile. Until next time, bye.